Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to explore Feng Shui, an ancient Chinese practice that helps create harmony in your home through the arrangement of energy forces. Feng Shui translates to wind-water, and it's known for combining both spiritual and scientific aspects to enhance well-being. By following Feng Shui principles, you can transform your living space to invite positive energy, known as qi, and improve your overall quality of life. Tip number 1. Declutter your home. The first and most important step in Feng Shui is decluttering. Start by removing items that are broken, outdated, or simply not needed anymore. Keeping things tidy shows respect for your environment and opens up space for new opportunities. Remember to thank each item for its service before letting it go. Also, avoid storing things under your bed as it can block energy flow. Tip number 2. Learn about the 5 Feng Shui elements. The 5 Feng Shui elements, wood, earth, fire, water, and metal, are essential in creating balance within your home. Each element represents a different energy, and you can use specific colors and shapes to bring them into your space. For example, green represents wood, red stands for fire, and blue symbolizes water. Incorporating these elements properly will help create a balanced and harmonious home. Tip number 3. Let in air and light. Natural light and fresh air are key components in creating positive energy. Make sure your home is well lit and has good ventilation. Dim, stuffy spaces can lead to stress and negativity. You can use light curtains or place mirrors strategically to brighten darker areas. Tip number 4. Care about the quality of energy. Arrange your furniture in a way that promotes a smooth flow of qi or energy. Avoid placing bulky furniture that blocks pathways, and ensure that cabinets and shelves don't obstruct doors or windows. This will allow energy to move freely through your home. Tip number 5. Choose the correct bed location. Your bed placement plays a crucial role in Feng Shui. It should be in a commanding position, meaning you can see the door without being directly in line with it. This setup provides a sense of security and control while you rest. If necessary, you can use a mirror to adjust your perspective. Tip number 6. Use plants for adding good energy. Plants are excellent for inviting good energy into your home. Opt for plants like bamboo or orchids, which symbolize growth and vitality. Be sure to place them in areas where they can thrive, contributing to the overall positive energy of your space.
Tip number 7. Keep the path to the front door clear.
The entryway is where energy enters your home, so make sure the path is clear. Avoid placing obstacles or clutter in front of the door. Additionally, avoid having the front and back doors directly aligned, as this can cause energy to flow out too quickly.
Tip number 8. Mirrors matter.
Mirrors can visually expand a space and invite more light, but they need to be placed carefully. Use mirrors in dining areas to boost energy, but avoid placing them directly in bedrooms as they may disrupt rest. Tip number 9. Add a fountain or aquarium. In Feng Shui, water is a symbol of wealth. Adding a small fountain or aquarium near the entrance of your home can help attract positive energy and prosperity. The sound of flowing water also has a calming effect that can improve your environment. By following these simple Feng Shui tips, you can create a home that fosters harmony, balance, and positive energy. A clean, organized space that reflects your intentions will support your well-being and personal growth. Embrace these practices and watch how your surroundings begin to positively influence your life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on improving your home and life with Feng Shui. Thanks for watching.